Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Jung Tech Review. So in this video, I will be doing a quick unboxing of one of the best-selling models of Honor phone right now, which is the Honor 10i. So let's do this guys. So guys, this is the retail box of Honor 10i. As you can see here on top of the box of Honor phone, front and back, and at the bottom of it, Honor 10i AI branding. And as this is AI powered, so this is one of the hardware specs of this model. And on the side, we will see again an Honor 10i AI branding again. And on the side, you can see here different IMEI numbers. On the other side, Honor 10i branding, Honor, and at the bottom of it, there's some information of this phone. So it's Honor 10i. We have the 128GB of storage, 4GB of RAM, midnight black in color. But this phone comes in 3 colors. We have the midnight black. They have also the phantom red and the phantom blue in color. And another thing at the bottom of it, model, you can see here, dual SIM also. So guys, this is a dual SIM phone. You can put 2 SIM together or 1 SIM, 1 memory card. So let's do the unbox and let's see what's inside of it. So guys, here's our Honor 10i in midnight black in color. It's very shiny in here. And so guys, this phone has already plastic screen protector in it, so no need to buy another one, but it's your choice. If you want to put a glass one, it is your choice. But right now, we will just set aside that first. And inside the box, there is another one box, which inside, we can see here, a SIM card tray ejector pin, and a quick start guide manual, and a silicone back cover in it. And along with it is a Huawei 10 watts charging, and this is a USB cable. This is not a USB Type-C, so it's a normal charger. And another in here, a headphone included in the box. So let's see what's inside the box in here. It's nothing in here and nothing in here. So that's it guys. Those are the things included the box of the Honor 10i. But right now we will set aside all this first, then we will do now the opening of this mobile. So are you excited guys of this phone? So let's just press the power in here. And as you can see guys, Honor, it is powered by Android. And like what I told you earlier guys, this phone doesn't come with a USB Type-C port, but if you hold into it, into the palm of your hand, it is very handy. And as you can see, the design, it's really nice guys. Here we go guys. Actually, this phone guys comes with Kirin 710F processor with graphics Mali G51. It comes with 4GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, which is expandable up to 512GB, and 3400 mAh of battery. Comes with Android 9 Pie plus EMUI 9.0 operating system. This phone, it comes with 6.21 inches IPS LCD. So now guys, let's talk about the design of this product. Tiny notch in here, which is, they call it a water drop notch. Bezels are very narrow. That's why Honor claims it's 90% screen body ratio of this phone, and you can get a PPI of 415 on the screen resolution. On the top of the screen, a speaker which you can use while doing calls for this phone. And on the top of the SIM card tray, which you can put 2 SIM card or 1 SIM, 1 memory card together. And on the side, there is nothing. And on the side, the volume up and down button and the power on and off button. And at the bottom of the phone, a headphone jack and a micro USB 2.0 charging the 4 holes, and this is the down-firing speaker of this phone. At the back of the phone, you can see a triple camera. Down is the flash of this camera, AI camera branding, and an Honor branding in here, and of course the fingerprint sensor. So this phone has a 6.21 inches of screen with 1080 x 2340 resolution, which you can get a PPI of 415, which is very sharp. So even if I bring the screen so close to the camera, you will not see any pixelation. So everything is really sharp, everything is really clear. Even also the viewing angle is really nice. At any angle you will see the phone, so it's really good, guys. So here, guys, there is already pre-installed application like other Huawei phones or other Honor phones. So it comes with Phone Manager, Teams, Music, Videos, and Google application like YouTube and Gmail, Maps, Google Play Music, and other applications like Play Store also, which you can log in your Gmail account so that you can download different applications. There's a Booking.com, Facebook, and already there is a Messenger and Netflix installed in this phone. And tools, recorder, FM radio station, flashlight is there, guys. And also you can get this compass, backup, and phone clone. And this phone clone, guys, if you want to transfer your files from other device, from one device to one another, you can use this application. So if you are using other brands of phone like Samsung, OPPO, or any other brand, you just need to download this phone clone, because this phone clone is only for Huawei and Honor phones already installed in the mobile. Let's go and check now the setting of this phone. So we will go here in the setting, the system, out phone, some informations like EMUI version 9.0, Android 9 version, and CPU, like what I told you, it's high silicon Kirin 710F, 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. The resolution is 2340 x 1080, and it's really nice, guys. So now, guys, let us check the main feature of this phone, which is the camera. In their slogan, it's Honor 10i, so it's triple, it's stylish. So it comes with triple camera. The back, you can see here, you can get a 24 megapixel, 8 megapixel wide angle, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. And in front of it, 32 megapixel front camera, AI powered camera. So let's see what's inside. 9 megapixel or 8 megapixel. So guys, as you can see in the camera, this is not a full screen. So if you want to make full screen, you just need to go to the setting, go to resolution, then lower down the resolution of this phone. Then you can see here, it's already full screen. So it's up to you guys how many resolution you want. So if you want to shoot for 24 megapixel, that's no problem. Like add watermark, you can add also watermark for this phone, and AI, moving picture option, a flash option, and the high vision option. And the bottom tray, more option, more. If you press the more, you can see here different option like Pro, AR lens, time-lapse, slow-mo, light painting, filter, HDR, panorama, and also stickers. And if you swipe it, you can go to video, photo. It comes with portrait mode, night mode, and the aperture mode. But don't worry, guys, we will tackle that on the next video. So keep on tuning on this channel, in-depth reviews of this phone. But right now, just let me take a sample picture of this Honor 10i box using the photo mode without AI. So, and now I will be taking picture with AI. This is the picture with AI. So even if you zoom it, it's very colorful. It's without AI. So as you can see, if you zoom here, there's a little bit darker in here, a little bit blurry in here, and also in here. But as you can see, the one we are taking picture, which has the AI, it's very detailed on this side, and also on the top of it. Even if you zoom it, it's very detailed also. So those are the sample only. It's really good enough. The camera of this phone comparing to other competitors with same price and the same resolution. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, just hit the like button, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, just click the subscribe button and notification bell, and see you on my next video.